Plant FAQs, Begonia malachosticta. Begonia malachosticta, a guide to the polka dot begonia. Hi, Ferb here. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the Begonia malachosticta, also known as the polka dot begonia. This stunning plant captivates with its unique foliage and thrives in humid environments. Whether you're a seasoned plant enthusiast or a curious beginner, this FAQ will equip you with everything you need to know about caring for your Begonia malachosticta. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Begonia malachosticta special? The Begonia malachosticta stands out for its mesmerizing leaves. Imagine a deep green canvas splashed with vibrant pink polka dots. These raised dots create a whimsical, textured appearance. The younger leaves often boast a reddish hue, adding another layer of visual interest. This stunning foliage is complemented by red stems and petioles, leaf stalks. While the flowers are somewhat inconspicuous, hidden beneath the vibrant leaves, they contribute to the overall charm of the plant. Where does the Begonia malachosticta come from? This exotic beauty hails from Sabah, Malaysia, on the island of Borneo. It thrives in the island's rainforest environment, characterized by high humidity and warm temperatures. Begonia malachosticta versus Begonia maculata, a tale of two spotted begonias. Both the Begonia malachosticta and the Begonia maculata, polka dot begonia, share the coveted spotted foliage trait. However, there are key differences to consider. Leaf shape. The Begonia malachosticta features oval-shaped leaves with pointed tips. The Begonia maculata boasts asymmetrical, angular leaves with a more pronounced pointed tip. Spot coloration. The Begonia malachosticta displays raised pink polka dots. The Begonia maculata showcases silver or metallic spots that appear flatter and more subtle. Growth habit. The Begonia malachosticta exhibits a cane-like or angel wing growth pattern, reaching a manageable height of 12 to 18 inches. The Begonia maculata can be bushier and more compact. Ultimately, the choice between these two beauties depends on your personal preference. Creating a happy home for your Begonia malachosticta. Now that you're smitten with the Begonia malachosticta, let's delve into its care needs. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight that can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Ensure proper drainage to prevent waterlogging. Humidity. This is where the Begonia malachosticta shines. Mimic its natural rainforest habitat by providing high humidity. Regular misting, a pebble tray filled with water, or a humidifier are excellent options. Temperature. Aim for a comfortable range between 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect your plant from cold drafts. Fertilizer. During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer applied monthly can encourage healthy growth. Pruning. Regularly pinch back the stem tips to promote bushier growth and remove any dead or yellowing leaves. Repotting. Repot your Begonia malachosticta every 2 years or when it outgrows its current pot. Choose a well-draining potting mix. Common Begonia malachosticta problems and solutions. Brown, crispy leaves. This could be a sign of underwatering. Increase watering frequency while ensuring proper drainage. Drooping leaves. Overwatering is likely the culprit. Adjust your watering schedule and allow the soil to dry partially between waterings. Pests or diseases. Regularly inspect your plant for signs of pests or diseases. Isolate the plant if necessary and treat with appropriate organic or inorganic solutions. Begonia malachosticta, a rewarding addition to your plant collection. With its captivating polka-dotted foliage and manageable size, the Begonia malachosticta is a true gem for plant enthusiasts. By providing the right care and mimicking its natural environment, you can cultivate a thriving, eye-catching addition to your indoor haven.